Happy day. I hope you're doing well. Are you a brand new insurance agent? Are you just hopping in to the insurance career of your dreams? I hope so. But let me tell you, if you are starting as a brand new insurance agent, whether you're captive, whether you're independent, whether you saw some dude on YouTube and you're like, this is awesome, okay? Do you feel like a tadpole? Okay? Do you feel like you don't have arms yet? You don't have legs yet? When you first start insurance, I promise you, unless you're just crazy arrogant and excited, and I know this may offend some people, but I'm telling you, when you first start off as an insurance agent, I felt like a tadpole, okay? Like big fish eat small fish, okay? Tadpoles get eaten. Most of them don't survive. When you first start the insurance space, if you don't have, okay, somebody that's going to mentor you and has done what you want to do, protecting you, guarding you, mentoring you, the majority of tadpoles get eaten alive and die, okay? In the insurance world, let me tell you, so many good agents die, okay? Because they're trying to do crap on their own. They don't have somebody that's mentoring them, training them, helping them succeed. So many dang good agents, okay, on the verge of failure, all right, aren't failed agents. They just weren't linked up with the right mentor. So many times in the insurance world, you got linked up with the wrong place. This does happen, okay? And there's so many good agencies, all right? I'm not the only game in town. There's so many good places to go. If I'm not a good fit for you, reach out. I'll help you find a better fit that maybe will be a better match for you. But you need unity, okay? When you feel like a tadpole in your new career, so many times you get into it and you don't have arms and legs yet. You don't know what you don't know. So it's very valuable to have somebody who actually has your best interest at heart, okay? A lot of people just want to give you a piece of paper with no training. Here's a contract, go write business, go make me money. That's not how jasonfinalexpense.com operates, okay? We're an insurance group. We are an insane group of like-minded individuals that love on people, take care of our consumers, and I am humbled, honestly, to be able to lead some of the best telesales agents in the nation. They are rock stars, honestly. They are so good. They are beyond great. I am just humbled by how good they are and how much fun it is to partner with them, to serve them, to work with them. They're doing the heavy lifting. There's nothing I won't do for them. But let me tell you, if you're doing telesales, if you're doing final expense insurance, even face-to-face insurance, okay, it is very important that you've got somebody that's got your back, okay, that picks up your phone call. Sometimes this is a game of seconds. If you've got a client on the phone, you don't know what you're doing, you don't maybe know the niche carrier or the place to take the client, it's important that you have somebody that's there to help you, okay? It doesn't mean that you don't know what you're doing, but it's important to have somebody that truly is there for you, okay? Be prepared for sure on your own, but know that you work with an agency or you're being mentored by somebody who knows how to pick up your phone call, okay? That is there to help you. Because when you first start out as an insurance agent, you're going to feel very vulnerable, okay? You're going to feel exposed. I ran a professional call center for 3 years plus. We rocked the planet. But when I stepped into the insurance space, I was a tadpole, okay? I didn't know what I didn't know. I could barely spell a whole life. I could sell a whole lot of stuff over the phone, let me tell you. I was very good. I was running professional call centers of 75 people, plus multiple shifts per call center, and I ran more than one very successfully. Let me tell you, there's folks out in the YouTube planet that say that they run call centers. Do they run 75 people deep in a call center? Ask that question. It's a good one to ask. But I'm telling you, when you do telesales, when you do face-to-face sales, it's so important to vet your trainer, because even for me, okay, I've done this a long time. I'm very successful in the insurance space and the telesale space, but you will feel like you're a little tadpole. You're just vulnerable. You're exposed. You don't know what you don't know yet. It's so important to have somebody that knows more than you do, that comes beside you and says, man, it's all good. I know you don't got your arms and legs yet. I'm going to take care of you. No big fish are going to eat you, okay? When you have someone that looks out for you and protects you and make sure that they skill you up, train you up, put the time in, the grind in to actually help you explode as a new agent. It is so important that you have people that help you get what you want, okay? A lot of times in the insurance world, you guys, it's so bad. I've got a lot of good friends that are agency owners. They're good people, okay? But there's a term out in the industry that says, we make a lot of money, okay, on agents not making it. I'm not a proponent of that, okay? The industry saying is we make money off the burn, okay? When they say they make money off the burn, do you guys know what that means? That means when agents fail, the agency makes more money. To me, that drives me insane. I'm not okay with that business model, okay? My agency doesn't operate on that bandwidth. I've got words to say. I can't speak them on YouTube because I'll get banned, okay? Let me tell you, but it's not okay to me. I only want to eat off one side of the apple. When you succeed, my organization succeeds. It's so important that you are in a place that profits when you profit. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm very happy. Everybody has an upline. It's okay if somebody is vested in your success, okay? Be very cautious when somebody is vested in your demise or in your failure, in your defeat. This happens more times than sometimes new agents know. When you get to some career briefing, some rah-rah session, okay, we're the only game in town, come drink my Kool-Aid, you got to be careful. Be careful, okay? When you first start out in your insurance career, a lot of times you don't always know what you don't know. You're a tadpole. I was a tadpole. It's okay. I've been there, right? It's not disparaging to say that's the case, right? When you first start off as a tadpole, sometimes you start slowly growing arms. You become more competent, right? And then you get more success and you understand, wow, I understand what whole life insurance is. I understand final expense insurance. I understand term insurance now. I'm starting to grow up, okay? As an agent, I promise you will grow up, but you won't grow up as fast if you don't have a mentor, if you don't have a big brother, a big sister that doesn't let anyone pick on you, okay? You're going to feel sometimes as a new agent like you're not good enough. Guys, it's important that you have somebody or some person or a mentor that lets you know what you do wrong. It's okay to be told that you're not doing things the right way, okay? Pride will cost you everything. I promise you it will. Arrogance will hurt you. It'll cost you money. Make sure that whoever you're getting advice from has the privilege and the ability to speak honesty in your life. It's so important to tell somebody you ain't doing stuff right. Do it this way. I've got amazing people in my organization, in my insurance group. I love them to death. I appreciate them so much, more than they even freaking know. I love them so much. We have so much fun. We work in partnership, okay? But they all know that I'm not one that will hold my tongue. I appreciate them, but I'm going to speak truth. I'm going to be a velvet hammer and let them know how they can do better if they need to do better. And if they're doing great, I'm going to tell them they're a rock star. And they are, okay? Like so many agents this week, I'm I'm so proud of you guys. Seriously, like, my goodness, you guys are amazing. Seriously, like, I'm so excited for your success, and you're just going to do nothing but explode. I'm absolutely humbled by you. You do such great work, and you're better than you even know. And you watch, 2021 is going to give you explosive growth. You're going to make more money than you've ever seen. I see agents that are like, I'm so sorry I did $10,000 this month. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, in some agencies, $120,000 a year is poverty level, okay? But in all reality, there's nurses that don't make $120,000 a year. Police chiefs that take bullets and deal with the BS and the bureaucracy don't make $120,000 a year of income. They don't. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep working hard. I am always here to serve you. And I love training. I love mentoring. But when you're a tadpole, when you're new, you guys, make sure that you've got a good trainer. Make sure that you've got good people that are like helping you explode. In my agency, jasonfinalexpense.com, and there's a lot of agencies out there, you guys, I don't shy away from training, practicing, drilling, rehearsing, making sure that my agents are destined for success, not failure. So many times you join an organization and they're like, rah, 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 okay? Go recruit all your friends. Get your Project 100, wink, wink, okay? This happens. It drives me crazy because, like, basically you're taking 100 of your friends and family, throwing them out to the wolves. They know they're giving you like 40% commission, 30% commission, 50% commission. I'm not kidding you, you guys. It seems like a horror story. It's the truth, okay? And then you fail out because they're making you pay for your own leads. They're not even exclusive. And then you die, and then they send a bunch of vultures to come after you. Guys, when you deal with final expense insurance, health insurance, annuity business, it doesn't even matter. It's the same game. If any organization hires you and mentions Project 100, please run. Please run. Reach out. jasonfinalexpense.com. I will be very upfront with you. I'm never going to fluff your feathers. I'm going to be honest with you. I've been a tadpole. I understand what it means to be a new agent, okay? I've been there. I've been in that place. When I first started off in my insurance space, I know you guys see me, it's like, wow, he knows what he's doing. When I first started, though, guys, I was scared, okay? I had a wife, okay? I still have the same wife, by the way, for all you out there. And I'm just telling you, though, we had a child on the way. My sweet lady was working, and I got really good at insurance very quickly, but I didn't do it on my own. I had it through good mentorship. I had people that believed in me. I had people that invested in my life, that invested in my career, that made me who I am to this day. I worked at a much lower comp in a captive agency making 45% commission when I knew, dang, we'll leave that muted, well, okay, that I could have made a whole lot more, okay, over 100% more comp if I went out on my own, went independent, and did my own thing. But guys, loyalty matters. And I stayed with that person, okay? A great man. I owe so much to him, honestly. I do. I told that to him, to his face. I was loyal to him until the day that he died. And let me tell you, I owe a lot to him. I do. He was an amazing person. And I don't care that I made lower comp when I worked underneath of him, because I knew that he had my best interest at heart. And that's where I am, you guys. Like, I've been a tadpole. I've been, okay, slowly growing my arms. I've been to the point that I grew into a frog, I grew into a prince, and someone kissed me, and I became a prince. Okay? In your career, understand we all start as tadpoles. We will all grow, okay? But we will not grow unless you've got somebody guarding you, because when you're a tadpole, you're vulnerable. You're exposed. I don't mean to be demeaning, but as an insurance agent, when you're brand new, if you think you're just going to swim with no legs and no hands and no feet, you're going to get eaten alive. I've seen this time and time again. So many really good insurance agents who have the ability to explode and blossom and grow don't make it. Was I always the wisest choice to be with an agency in my past where I made very diminished comp? You can debate that. That's okay. I'll have that debate with you. That's all good. But you guys, loyalty matters, and the fact that you've got somebody who cares for you, protects you, looks over you, and trains you well, and helps you explode. I made 45% comp. I have no regrets, you guys. None. No regrets. None. I made 45% comp, but yet I made over $201 plus thousand of 1099. I'm not complaining. In my past, I've got no regrets. I'm not saying that I couldn't have made 600,000, 700,000 in comp. That's the truth. I knew it then. I know it now. Okay? JasonFinalExpense.com. I don't haircut my people like that. But I'm eternally grateful for the man that I learned everything from. I stayed by his side until the day he died, because loyalty matters. I know this is probably boring, you guys. Honestly, it probably is. But when you first start out in your insurance career, it's not always about a piece of paper. A lot of times it's about who has your back, who is taking care of you, who picks up your phone call when you call, who doesn't put you on some call me tomorrow, put me on a Calendly appointment. I'll talk to you in a day or two if I have time. You need to have people that are truly accessible and are invested in your success. This isn't a glamorous business. The final expense insurance space and the insurance career that you chose, okay? Because this isn't a job. If you look at insurance as a job, you're not going to make it. You just won't, okay? If you look at insurance as your career, as your passion, you will be destined for success, because you're keeping your client in mind. You're keeping them in view. But every agent that partners with me, I love you guys, honestly. I know it sounds stupid, but I do. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so proud of you. Like every agent in the Tele Squad, that's what we call each other. You guys are awesome. Freaking amazing. Like Jason, Agent M, you know who you are. You guys make me proud every day. Like, you are doing nothing but getting better. And there's a ton more agents in my agency. You know who I'm talking about. All you guys rock. Okay? You get it done every day. And I'm humbled to be a part of what we all do together. Have a great night. Have a better day tomorrow, you guys. Christmas week is coming. Here we are. I'm going to be working tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'm getting up early. Okay? I'll never stop serving you guys. There's nothing that I will ever ask you to do that I won't do myself. I'm going to work 7 days this week. And then all next week, I hope you guys relax. I hope you recharge. Invest in your families. Love your kiddos and your babies. Relax hard. I'm going to take off Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Okay? I promise you that. But those are the only 2 days that I will take off. I'm going to be training some of the greatest agents in history. And let me tell you, the greatest legacy that I could ever leave is a group of agents that is like-minded, serving the greatest generation on the planet, because what we do matters. These great people matter, and let me tell you, they are underserved. So many people just want to squeeze these great people like grapes. They treat them like trash, okay? They treat them like a number, and that pisses me off, you guys. Honestly, like, they're amazing people. Sometimes, like, final expense insurance agents, whether you're face-to-face or you're in the telespace, so many times they treat these great people like grapes. They just want to squeeze them. No, it's not okay. Get out of the insurance industry. Honestly, get the heck out, okay? I'm being nice right now. Get out of the industry. Honestly, like, these are amazing people. They deserve professionalism. They deserve to be cared for, loved on, and taken care of in the best way. Everything I teach, okay, in my insurance group is not abrasive. Take care of these good people. They need you. They truly do want you. They desire the solutions that you bring. You just need to bring it in the right way. Love on them. Take care of them. Future generations depend on the value that you bring. That's up to you. It's not your client's fault. Make sure that you're using proven power scripts, proven ways, proven directions. And you guys, I'm so proud of you. Everybody at jasonfinalexpense.com, you guys are nothing short of amazing. I'm grateful for you. Keep working hard. Keep providing for your families and just like blowing it up. Nobody can touch you. Nobody, in my opinion, they're not as good as you. You can't even get close. Not even a match. Have a good night. If y'all need help, reach out. My information is in the description. But rest well. This is Friday. Next week is Christmas week. Recharge. Rejuvenate. Get ready. And you know what? On the 28th, when the Monday bell rings, 2021 has no clue the success and the value that we're going to bring to our consumer. We're going to come in so beautifully. We're going to come in so hot and so heavy, meeting the needs, lifting the weights off the backs of our beneficiaries. So many times, they're burdened by the emotional weight of what they think about. We're going to relieve it. We're going to take care of their wishes for their families. We're going to bring checks from the A-rated companies to pay for cremation, burial, final expense needs through whole life insurance products. You guys are beyond good. You're great. You're excellent. If you work for some captive agency somewhere, you're a one-trick pony. That's okay. Keep doing the good work. You need to do it. Stay motivated. Stay powerful. They still need you. To all you independent insurance agents out there, keep working. Stay at it. Don't give up. Okay? People need you. They need you. And you will affect so many generations. I promise you, if you do it right, you'll affect a ton of generations. If you do it okay, you'll affect two, at least two. You'll affect people beyond yourself, okay? I was an insurance agent in my past. Honestly, you guys, you wheel back 10 years ago, I was a very selfish agent. I only thought about myself. It's the truth. At this point, I can care less, okay? I live through the agents that like slaughter it, that get it done, that take care of the client's needs. I get so excited when my agents explode. That means the world to me. But there was a point in my life, honestly, that I thought about nothing more than myself. That's on me. I'll own it. Okay? Confession's good for the soul. Let's get it out, right? Get after it. Get good, you guys. Take care of other people. There's nothing greater than creating a legacy. A legacy for your client is making sure that their children don't have to worry. A legacy for me at jasonfinalexpense.com is making sure that the agents that partner with me explode and are profitable and take care of future clients' needs so that their families are guarded and protected. Because there's going to be a point, you guys, when all of us are gone. All of us will be gone. What did you leave behind? What did you help other people attain? If you're an insurance agent, what did you help your client attain? How did you make the world a better place? How did you make your clients' lives better? If you're an agency owner, how did you make your agents' lives, not your life, how did you make your agents' lives better? If you can answer that question with integrity, you'll make this world a better place. Please turn these great tadpoles into amazing princes that love on other people and make other people's lives better, whether they're agents or clients. Everybody matters. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Have a successful night. I hope this helps. Sorry for the long video, you guys, but I appreciate you. And everybody at jasonsfinalexpense.com, rest well, you guys. I respect the heck out of you. You guys are awesome.